Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about an app you could use to share files between devices on your wireless network. So this could be, tablet, computer, smartphone. As long as you could get this Photon app that you need, then you'll be able to use it. So you could, they have a Windows version, Linux, Mac version, Android version. I'm not sure if they have one for iPhone, but if they have a Mac version, they might. You'd have to look in the Apple Store for that. So you could either download the program and install it on Windows, or download the zip file and then just run the executable. That's way there's nothing to install if you want to do it that way. And then once you run it, you'll be asked to create a profile and pick one of the pictures. Let me show you what I have here. So this one's called Windows 11, and you could actually go to the settings and edit your profile if you want to change to one of the other pictures or change your username. And then you could also change the destination for where the files will be transferred into. Okay, so I have two computers and a smartphone here. So I have this Windows 11 computer, and then if I minimize here, I also have this running on a Windows 10 computer, same looking screen, and I also have it going on my phone. So let's go back to Windows 11 here, and I'm going to share a file from my phone. So on my phone, I'm going to tap on share, just like you see on the screen there, and it asks if you want to share files or apps. So I'm going to pick files. And I'm just going to pick another picture here. It doesn't have to be pictures. And now it says file is ready to be shared. So now you just have to go to one of the receivers and click on receive, and it will search your wireless network. So it found the phone with one file to share here, and I could do the same from the other Windows 10 computer. So now on my phone I need to accept the request to download this file. Alright, so it's completed. So if I go back, it's always going to say make sure that your transfer is complete. So don't go thinking that it's not complete, it's just what it says. So just say go back. And if I want to go to my Photon folder, so there's the picture I just received right there. Okay, so now I'm going to share a file between computers. So I'll click on share. So I'm going to share this, let's say this Australian Shepherd here. So now I can go over to the other computer, the Windows 10 computer, click on receive. It'll scan the network. So you can see it found my phone with the file to share, and then also found the other computer. So I'll click on that. Now I need to approve it on the other computer. So accept it. Go back. Hopefully the switching back and forth between computers is not confusing you, because it's two separate computers. Okay, so that says completed, and then I could go back, and I could even look here, my received history. So there's the Australian Shepherd. And you can open it right from the app there. Okay, so I will put a link in the description where you could download the files for the Windows, Mac, Linux, but on your phone you'll have to do a search for Photon. Just make sure it has this icon here in case there's more than one Photon app, and then you could install it on your phone and do it that way. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.